the rule set. You guys please make sure that you turn on your camera, and also if you can unmute yourself, it will be much better. But if you think that's going to be noisy, it's okay, but do not sleep and take any calls within my class as always, okay? So please make sure that you turn on your camera right now. I count on 3, 1, 2. Come on guys, turn on your camera. Hi dude. Hi Rifa, Madi Arianda, Fauzan Ahmad, Khaira Rama, Ibrahim Ishak Jaler. Okay, if you have something trouble like with your camera on, please make sure that you let me know in the chat room, or else you're going to report yourself to your homeroom teacher directly, okay? So please today, I know that I'm going to be the last materials in your day, and I know you guys are, oh my gosh, this is so boring and stuff, but do not try to sleep on my class, okay? Because you can't. And please be active today, because I'm gonna be with me. There will be Miss Nunik, might be joining us today. So yeah, if you can help me, like if you're gonna be so kind to me, please to be an active student today and be kind student, okay? You might not be kind next week, it's okay, but not today, okay? So please make sure, yeah, that if you have an evil spirit in yourself, like exorcism is there. So please, like, yeah, the devil go out, yeah? Okay, so yeah, are you guys with me right now? Please check into your e-labs. Go ahead to your e-labs and let's check Bing in your search, Bing 12. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen to you guys. Wait a minute. I told you last week, right, to set an Instagram account, and I told you to follow me in englishteacher.msl, because today we're going to have a bit session of using Instagram, and also, you know, we're going to have a session of using Instagram account. And if you don't want to have your real account to be used through this learning process, you might have another second account or third account, whatever it takes. You made it and you follow me in englishteacher.msl, so I can count on your score, okay? Is that a clear instruction for you? Okay, clap your hands through the Zoom if you think like my instruction is clear enough for you. Please not. Okay, Shafira is so good today. And you know, you see like she's clapping his hands. I mean like through the Zoom, dear, like you can use. Yeah, okay, Dafa, Almira, hi, good. Hi. Okay, so can you download all the materials, the UKBM additional material, the economies for the July edition, and also the latest one, the latest edition is 29th of August. And please prepare your focus 3, your book as usual. Open your book, guys. Can you show me your book? Okay, let's check the waves first. How many students that is not activating their camera today? Let's check. Okay, from the 10 MIPA 1. No, I mean like 12 MIPA 1. Social science 1. Okay. Hi, Ananda Nur Zahra, Akmal Rabbani. Hello. Convertingnya pakai cloud atau inside computer kemarin. Iya, it's okay. Nggak masalah. Okay, Akmal Rabbani, check sound. Hi. Are you there, Akmal? Or are you gaib today?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. Yeah, please turn on your camera. Is there any trouble? Is there any trouble with your camera, dude?
No.
Okay, please turn on your camera. Okay, next. 11 info 1, Hafizal Ali, Justitio. Hi. Come on. You guys, please make sure that you turn on your camera, okay? There's no one here who's saying like, yeah.
Yes, miss.
Justitio, are you there? Hafizal Ali, please guys. I only have like 50 minutes left. Yeah. Azriel is okay. I got your message. Naras, hi Naras. Why are you not turning off your camera? Haira, is your audio connected? Okay. Goes to A2. Hi, A2 student. seconds. Oh my gosh, there's too much people who's not activating their camera. Okay, I count on 3. Please activate your camera on 1, 2, 3, or else I'm going to put you on the waiting room as usual. Please make sure that you're not on the waiting room because you're going to skip the materials today. So please make sure. Yusuf Nafi, are you with me? Yusuf Nafi? Yusuf Nafi, hello. Okay. Maybe you want to wait. It's okay if you want to wait a bit. Hi, Gevira. Hello. Gevira. Oh, Yusuf Nafi kamera rusak, Miss. Okay, it's okay. Kamera Nares, trouble. Okay, good. Okay, now go to the A3. Yeah.
Tadi telat, Miss. Kayak reconnect, Miss, tadi.
Oh, okay, okay. It's okay. Who's this? Siapa yang? Who's this speaking? Hai. Miss, kamera saya mic error, kata Ulil. Oke. Ya, oke. Miss, nggak ada webcam. Oke, Nabil, I got your message. Oke, A3 guys, please make sure that you turn on your camera. Audrey, Shafira, Wendy, Fadli, Rafiq, are you here? Or you're sleeping right now? Maulana Fajar. Okay, I got your message, guys. Everyone, I got your message. Okay, who else? A3, please Nabila Hairunisa, Audrey Shafira, Wendy, Ibrahim Ishak Jaler. Jaler, hello. Tell your common teacher that if you have trouble with your camera on. Okay, A4, go to A4. Raihan Randi, Rangga Mahendra, Kevin Roy, hi. Okay, guys, please do this like while you're downloading the file, yeah, because it's gonna be a bit big size of files. Okay, A4, okay, good. A5, come on. Good, turn on your camera, good job. And social science 1. Gusti, are you here, Gusti? Raditya Sultan, you're still joining. Okay, next is 2. Go to the social science. So, okay, social 2. Okay, social 2, good. Farah Rigel, are you here, Rigel? Okay, Gusti, I got your message. Rigel, okay, right now go to the, okay, only 2 classes for the social sciences. Okay, guys, yeah, get back to the materials today. I wish you how was it? How's your Wednesday? Is this a good day for you? Because this is a good day for me. Adrian, hello.
Miss, yang di download yang mana?
Yes, Miss.
Semuanya nak, yang di UKBM 3. Ya. Kai, do you feel good today, Kai?
Iya, Miss.
Iya, Miss. So, tidak semangat, Kai. Bersemangat sedikit ya. Okay, guys. Yeah, so please make sure that you open your UKBM 3. Open your UKBM. So today we're going to have the session of captioning, guys. Okay, let me charge my laptop first. Okay, so log into your Instagram by PC or by phone right now. So what we're going to do today and what will be expected from you in the end of the class is you to be able to create a caption. Well, there will be captions in the online social media platforms such as Instagram, and we're going to see on how the caption is going to be, changing the directions on how media portray the issues or on how media try to cover an issue. So we're going to check whether it is going to be printed and also online social media, online media platform on how caption is going to be used. Okay, is that clear? So you're going to be able in the end of the class to create and to publish your captions related to pictures that could be somehow, you're going to find out the instruction inside the UKBM then. Okay, so please open your focus now. Buka bukunya nak. Ayo tunjukkan bukunya ke kamera. I count on 3, 1, 2, 3. Show me your book. Okay, Kai is good. Where else? Okay, nice. Salwa, nice. Good job. Ahmad Zaki, good. Siti Naila, Sabrina, nice. I love the way you guys did it. Okay, cool. So open your book page, focus 3, page 17, 82, and 88. Please make sure that you mark it, like just clip it a bit so you are able to open it whenever it's going to be used. Okay, so you guys open your UKBM within in your laptop, and I'm going to share my presentation to you. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to share my. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so you can see my presentation, guys.
Bisa,
Hello?
Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, nice though. Yeah. So what we're going to discuss today about on how a word representations of how sentences created on media. So this is going to be very, very important to you guys. If you want to work on advertising might be, or communications industry, for example, or like media, or anything related to copywriter, for example, or anything related to business marketing, digital marketing lately, like, or anything such as big data analyst or whatever it takes that is related to internet, and also like that is related to news, and also the way how information goes around is going to be so important to you to understand and to see the context of how caption is going to be used and how the sentences is going to be created in order to persuade society, or in order to let society, I don't know, like not only convince but also like do something more because of your caption. You know, a lot of you know, you are familiar with some of the campaign related to what Instagram propose, or what American people most likely do lately, that is related to how they use caption inside their media, right? So ada yang bisa, okay, who can help me to mention the latest campaign that is used and also that is announced in an Instagram, or that is used through magazines, for example? Ada yang bisa bantu, Miss? Siapa yang tahu campaign terakhir yang muncul di Instagram apa? One of you
Black
guys?
Lives Matter.
Who's that?
Black Lives Matter.
Yes, cool, Safira. Black Lives Matter ya. Kemarin baru ada kasusnya. Siapa yang perempuan itu namanya? Breonna. Oh my God, I forgot.
Taylor.
Yeah, Breonna Taylor, right? If you watch the movie, if you watch the news, and also another else mungkin, another Black Lives Matter. What else? Ada lagi? Kalau Indonesian issues, apa yang terakhir yang campaignnya through Instagram biasanya?
Sahkan RUU PKS.
Wow, nice, Shafira. You made that. Okay, good. Another person could be, Shafira, boleh catat namanya nak di chatroom for plus points. Okay. By the way, welcome Miss Nunik in my class. In English class, Miss Nunik.
Thank you, Miss Mani.
Okay, Miss.
Catat apa, Miss?
Catat namanya nak di chatroom nak.
Sorry.
Chatroom. Catat di chatroom. Namanya seperti biasa untuk plus points. Oke. Akilah, gagalkan Omnibus Law. Yeah, true. That's the latest, you know. Do you know the case of some of the, one of the, you know, the leader of indigenous people in Kalimantan that is being caught by some police and being separated by their community because he's trying to you know, he's trying to save their community and also the last rainforest in Indonesia. Dengar kabarnya yang itu? Kabar berita bahwa siapa yang tahu beritanya? Can you say hi or like, yes Miss, I know, like, hello? Ada yang dengar kampanyenya itu? Kampanyenya gagalkan Omnibus Law ada di Instagram ya. Please, if you guys are on Instagram, please be active. Like, I don't know, like just try to be updating yourself. You know, like there's a lot of things happening in Indonesia and they need you to be alert on it. So yeah, okay. Goes to the oke, kita lihat ya, introduction sebentar. Sebelum Miss kasih instruksi sebelumnya, semua perhatikan ya. Oke, so here's the thing. The first one, the caption on media. What is the caption about? Okay, how the caption appeared in varied media platform, and it's going to be on how it's going to be used and also illustrated on any type of text with given picture, chart, table, or graphs. You see here, guys. If you are familiar with this, are you familiar with this? The printed one. Ini majalah apa? Siapa yang tahu? Ada yang tahu ini majalah apa? Nashwa, do you know this, Nashwa?
The Economist, Miss.
Yeah, have you ever read this? Are you familiar with this?
Never read it, but seen it before.
Okay, cool, good. How about Atala Yafi? Hi, Atala Yafi. Atalayafi, are you there? Oke, Atalayafi gaib ya. Hai Dava Rozan. Dava Rozan.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, are you familiar with this printed magazine?
No, Miss.
Yeah, but have you ever read this?
No.
No, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, you have you downloaded the materials in UKBM 3?
Not yet, Miss.
Kenapa belum? Sekarang ayo download sekarang ya. Semuanya sudah Miss taruh di UKBM 3. Oke. How about Kalista? Are you familiar with this, Kalista?
No, Miss.
Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, I wish you guys. Okay, at least I introduce you to guys. Next, Tafi Zaim Nofli. Hi, Tafi. Are you familiar with this?
No, Miss.
No, but you know like this is a printed magazine?
Yeah, I know that magazine, but never read it before. Read it before.
Okay. Let's read it after this. Okay, how about Jason? Hi, Jason. Jason, are you familiar with this?
I've seen it before, but I've never opened the magazine.
Okay, how about the 1843 Mac? This is, do you see like, what is this? What can you recall? This is Instagram, right? So have you ever been here?
No, never.
Oh, never. Okay, how about Raditya Sultan? Hi. Raditya Sultan, are you familiar with these two things?
Honestly, no, Miss.
Okay, it's okay. We're going to discuss about this today. Okay, how about as to like who's going to be the? Hi, Diandra. Diandra, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Are you familiar with this? No.
No.
Kayana Maheswari. Kayana.
Yes, Miss.
Are you familiar with this, Kayana?
I've seen it before, but I never read it.
Okay, let's read it today, yeah. Okay, guys, so now let's begin. Open UKBM 3 on eLabs, and you see in the page yang pertama tadi Miss sudah suruh kamu buka buku ya. Buka bukunya, semuanya. Buka page, open your book, page berapa tadi Miss suruh? Yang pertama?
17.
Page berapa? Ya, coba somebody who wants to get a point, please read the title of the text. Shakira, can you help me? In the page 17, right?
Iya, Miss.
Ya, apa tuh? Judulnya?
Lighting the spark of learning.
Okay, my question to you guys, which one is we call as caption? Okay, who can answer this? I count on 3, 1, 2, 3. From, if you see like the text, which one is the caption? Which one that we call as caption?
Ini Miss, yang Dr. Sugara Mitra.
Okay, good, Alif. Okay, another else? Wafin? Wafin?
Yes, I'm here, Miss.
What else? What else inside that text? Lighting the spark of learning. There's going to be a caption.
Wait, Miss. I want to change my device. Wait.
Buka buku kan, pastikan, ikan. Oke, who else? Ada lagi captionnya di situ, Nak? Siapa lagi yang bisa notice? Michelle, ya, go ahead, Michelle. What is it?
In 2010, Dr. Mitra initiated another project for children in India.
Which one?
Menjelaskan gambar yang di atas.
Miss, aku mau.
Oke, sebentar, Nak. Kayaknya kamu agak jauh ya kamu ya. Yang mana, Michelle? I don't see it.
Line ke-35, Miss.
Line ke-35. Oh, oke. Ya, nanti kita cek lagi ya. Oke, good, Michelle. What else? Siapa lagi? Firas Justin, children from India learning from a Skype granny. Oke. Who else? Siapa lagi tadi yang ngomong? Shakira ya? Ada lagi Shakira?
Children learning from a computer in a wall India, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, let's check ya, which one is the caption or not. Oke, so Michelle, unfortunately, sebenarnya itu kalau bagian dalam teks, maka itu adalah part of the text, ya, main text-nya. Nah, kalau caption itu sifatnya adalah untuk describing the any given pictures or any given graphs or any given table might be inside the text that is going to be, you know, the function is to, ngapain functionnya guys? Ada yang bisa jawab? Kalau dalam teks ini functionnya untuk apa? Captionnya?
Buat jelasin fotonya bukan, Miss?
True, Cempaka. Good job. Untuk menjelaskan fotonya ya. Jadi yang benar adalah yang mana disebut caption? Tadi yang sudah disebutkan Alif benar, Dr. Sugata Mitra, karena menjelaskan siapa profil orangnya ya. Betul? Betul, Cempaka?
Iya benar, Miss.
Oke, next. Children from India learning from a Skype granny. Firas Justin, good job. Yeah, it's true, Firas. Next, yang tadi Shakira sebut itu juga benar ya. Oke, let's move on to, coba wait sebentar. Who can explain to me what kind of text is this? What kind of text is this and where you most likely found this?
Report text.
What? Where nak? Report text, ya report text ya aja tuh ya. Report text yang sifatnya report text atau news item?
News item on magazine.
Iya, lebih tepatnya ke news item ya. Sifatnya adalah biasa ketemunya di mana kalau news item? Where do you guys most likely found this?
Newspaper or magazine.
Good, newspaper or magazine. Thank you, Safira. Nice. Ini nggak ada suara yang lain selain ini ya. Tapi ini, I like this. Like, ini women empowerment sekali. Yang jawab perempuan semua, kecuali Alif ya. Oke, mana nih suara laki-lakinya? Cek ombak, sound, check sound. The students, hi guys, the male students, do not be afraid and say something, okay? Okay, next page, please. Next page. The boys, please point out. Siapa yang bisa point out the captions? Halaman selanjutnya, halaman berapa, nak? Which page?
82, Miss.
Ya, 82. Oke, Alexandra Samantha. Can you point out one? Cewek lagi ya. Which one is the caption? Which one is the caption, guys? Yang mana, Alexandra Samantha? Yang mana yang captionnya?
Models and celebrities are airbrushed.
Yang 82 kan ya, page 88 itu yang ini nih, yang text the rating the best job in the world, yang mana nak?
Wait, bentar, Miss.
Ada coba the boys-nya? Halo, boys. Nadim Khalil, hai Nadim. Kapan lagi ada Mas Menteri ya di kelas Miss? Nadim, halo. Nadim, are you there? Nadim.
Miss, kayaknya beda ya, Miss, teksnya atau sama?
Hah, beda ya?
Iya, Miss, kayak nggak ada caption kayak gitu.
Page salah, Miss. Page 80, page ini 68, sorry. 68, nak. Sorry. Di buku Miss soalnya buku teacher. Sorry. 68, page 68 ya. Page 68. 68. Oke, who can find out? Yang mana itu? The boys, kekuatan the boys. Mana Nadim? Halo Nadim. Kevin Roy. Hi Kevin. Halo Kevin. Are you there?
Ya, Miss.
Ya, Kevin, silakan point out. Which one is the caption? Yang mana? Buruan.
Yang mana ya?
Nah, boleh dibantu nak yang cowok-cowok nih Kevin ya, silakan dibantu.
The return of the best job in the world.
Iya, which one is the caption? That's the title, right?
Ini Miss, Outback Adventurer.
Iya, true. Alif lagi. Oke, Alif terus ya. Alif, Outback Adventure Duties, bla bla bla. Is that a part of the text? No, main textnya adalah yang in 2009, bla bla bla, until the end of the text, right? But the caption itself itu adalah untuk nge-captioning siapa? Yang mana yang di-captioning? Captioning yang menjelaskan yang mana, Alif?
Yang itu ya, Miss, gambarnya orang kan ada orang. Habis itu dia jelasin dia role-nya apa.
Betul sekali. Nice. Hi Jordi, are you there Jordi? Jordi. Halo Jordi. Oke, gaib ya, Jordi ya. Oke, Ibrahim Ishak. Jaler. Oke, kayaknya bermasalah. Girindo, halo Girindo, are you there?
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah, go ahead. Which one? Another one. Yang mana lagi, Nak?
Lifestyle photographer.
Oke, good. What else? Point out semuanya. Ayo. Ini laki-laki.
Park Ranger sama Shift Funster.
Okay, my questions. Next questions. Where will you guys found this kind of text? Ryan Ramsyah? Ryan. Halo. Pratnya Darana. Halo Pratnya. Oke, gaib ya. Coba siapa
Halo,
lagi?
Miss.
Oh, masih ada orangnya. Halo, Assalamualaikum.
Halo, Miss.
Sehat Pratnya?
Halo, Miss. Yeah.
Yeah. My question is, where will you most likely find this kind of text? Gimana?
Di brosur kali, Miss, nggak tahu, Miss.
Nah, biasanya kamu pernah baca ini nggak? Kayak majalah-majalah sporty or adventurous thingy gitu?
Oh iya, pernah biografi, Miss.
Ya, biasanya seperti ini ya tampilan itu. Atau kalau misalnya teman-teman semuanya familiar dengan majalah Bobo, biasanya ada section where you guys can find out something out of the world, like you're trying to visit, for example, like another part of the world that will be featured in kind of that magazine, okay? But the functionnya tentu untuk menginformasikan sesuatu yang ini ya, di luar yang mungkin kamu nggak pernah tahu. That's the thing. Another things to know gitu. Okay, so move on to the next page. Okay, kita move on ke another materials ya, karena mungkin waktu Miss terbatas sekali. So let's check the UKBM 3. Oke, semuanya bisa lihat apa yang Miss share screen hari ini sekarang?
Bisa, Miss.
Bisa, Miss.
Ya, sekarang semuanya coba perhatikan, buka sekarang bagian Economist 22nd of July. Buka semuanya. Oke, kita lihat ya, Nak. Hah, ini kok nggak kebuka? Hah, gimana maksudnya? Oh, masih ke download dia, bos. Wait. Bentar, Miss buka dulu di laptop ya. Nanti 2nd of July. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Wait a bit. Semuanya udah buka ya di masing-masing ya, in your own PC, right?
Udah.
Ya. Yeah. Okay. See, right? Oh, ya. Yeah. Terlihat nah apa yang Miss share? Ya, kita cepat aja ya. Nah, oke. Who can mention to me which one is caption and which one is not? Bagian mana yang caption, bagian mana yang enggak? Yo. Yang mana yang disebut caption? Yang mana? Yang mana, Nak? Oke, masih
The
belum.
clock text for TikTok, Miss.
Yang mana tuh? The clock text, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good answer, but it's not, but still almost true. Which one? Another one? Ada yang lagi yang mau bantu?
Share prices, Miss.
Share prices, okay. Share prices, almost right, but not true. Which one? Ada lagi yang mau coba?
Confirm that.
Okay, almost true, but almost true. Masih almost. Almost.
India's cases
Coronavirus.
Never enough. Yang mana? Which one? Which one, Nak?
India's
Coronavirus.
cases soared. Oh.
Itu siapa yang ngomong? Naswa ya?
Cia, Miss Cia.
Oke, masih belum benar, Nak. Siapa lagi, ayo?
Weekly confirmed cases by
Area.
Belum benar. Still almost not true.
Coronavirus.
Ya, belum.
America's Postmaster General, Louis DeJoy.
No.
America's Postmaster General. Okay.
No.
Apa yang source-nya, Miss?
Siapa itu yang ngomong?
Saya.
Oke, siapa tuh saya?
Cempaka.
Oke, Cempaka. Kamu ragu atau sebenarnya you point to point out? Which one?
Yang itu bukan, Miss. Source-nya.
Iya, betul sekali, sources, ya. Yeah? So you guys, if you read kind of text like this, you see the clock ticks, as what Faisal mentioned. This is a subheading namanya ya, subheading of the title. Jadi kalau misalnya kamu lihat, kalau di economist.com, biasanya mereka punya reviewing the world this week politics. This is really good, guys. If you want to know what's happening in the world, like within a week or within 2 weeks, you can read this like on a brief, because not everyone can have time to read all of them inside the magazine, right? So they have this review thing. But if you say like confirm that, it's not, because this is, the title of the table. No, share price is also the title of the graphs, it's not. So the thing is, most likely captions for magazine biasanya digunakan untuk menyebutkan sources-nya ada di mana, ya. Ini penting sekali. Kenapa? Because if you're not mentioning a credible sources inside a news, it's going to be so problematic, and efeknya kalau kamu nggak kredibel, masukin berkas yang kredibel di news, ada yang tahu? What is the effect?
It might be seen as a hoax.
Siapa tadi? Ada 2 orang. Yang pertama dulu perempuannya.
Kai, Miss.
Oke, Kai, ya, go ahead, Kai.
So people would think that the news is one of the hoax.
Okay, yeah. Good. Sama ya, kayak what Faisal says. Yeah, true. So if you, sekelas economist.com, if they do not mention a very real or incredible sources, for example, like Johns Hopkins University, ini one of the top 10 university yang bagus sekali ya di di Amerika, guys. Ya, ini di Amerika. Nah, Johns Hopkins ini salah satu lembaga yang punya research-nya yang bagus. Nah, jadi mereka ambil dari yang credible sources or university yang memang sudah terpercaya, dan people when they read this, they know they have a lot of accountability to be trusted. Ya, ada accountability yang harus dicek dan lainnya ya. Jadi sources ini sangat penting sekali dimasukkan di dalam sebuah news, terutama news yang sifatnya levelnya kayak dunia seperti ini. Ini levelnya, by the way, kalau if you want to know, economist.com is most likely being read by some of the accountants or editors in the world, or any presidents in the world. They're going to have this in their brief every morning. Biasanya mereka punya brief, kalau tiap pagi tuh presiden bakal di-brief kan sama sekretarisnya gitu mengenai berita apa yang terjadi, dan biasanya Economist adalah one of the magazines yang di-provide atau di-give untuk para leaders in the world kayak gitu ya. Jadi kamu jangan salah, biasanya itu kayak Barack Obama bacanya ini. Waktu itu Miss pernah visit di Singapura, salah satu pimpinannya International Harmony Week-nya, jadi mereka punya Harmony Center di Singapura. Salah satu pemimpinnya itu datang dari berbagai negara, berbagai agama ya. Itu tuh mereka biasa banget punya economist.com di rumahnya. Waktu Miss visit di rumahnya tuh kayak, oh my god, there's a lot of the Economist magazines. Everyone's reading that, okay? So if you want to know what's happening inside the international community, read this one, okay? Next. Okay, go ahead, kita lanjutkan ya. Mana lagi, ada lagi? Ya, semuanya sekarang, Miss mau dalam waktu 3 menit, Miss akan kasih tugas untuk cari salah satu berita, di sini tinggal di screen cap aja, kamu screen cap terus warnain merah, yang mana bagian captionnya, itu cari 3 ya, minimum di Economist ini, cari 3 di Economist ini, find out 3 examples of captions, kamu cari scroll up sendiri, bisa di yang Economist 22nd of July, atau yang di editions yang 29 of August ya. Silakan kamu langsung screen cap, baru dibulatkan saja atau dimerahkan saja pakai versi digital. Kemudian di screen capture atau di screenshot, nanti diposting di absen PJJ hari ini ya. Tugasnya yang pertama itu. Clear instruction guys? Oke, 3 captions ya, inside the economist.com, bisa yang first materials, additional material, atau second additional material. Silakan kamu cari ya, nggak boleh sama of course any one of you guys, dan nggak boleh yang sudah miss mention atau yang kita discuss di sini. Oke, next. lihat tabelnya, bisa kamu lihat tabelnya ada di dalam UKBM, kamu kerjakan sesuai dengan instruction yang ada di UKBM. Itu seperti ini tabelnya. Kalau misalnya kamu mau masukin gambarnya ke table, boleh. Ini kelihatan ya, Nak? Kelihatan? Guys? Kelihatan?
Yes.
Iya, captionnya ditulis di sini, terus sama gambarnya dimasukin, atau gambar sekalian captionnya langsung dimasukin gambarnya dalam kotak, kemudian tentukan topic of the text-nya kira-kira apa. Topic of the text ini judul beritanya ya, judul beritanya apa. Dan kamu kira-kira jelasin kira-kira itu bentuknya, nggak usah sih, itu aja, 2 itu aja. Jadi captionnya kamu screen cap di sini, topic of the text-nya, title news-nya apa, kamu masukin di sini, kamu ketik. Terus habis itu nanti table ini kamu screenshot ya, masukin ke absen PJJ. Ribet nggak kalau pakai table?
Yes.
Ya udah, nggak usah pakai table. Nggak usah table, langsung aja ya di absen PJJ ya. Screen cap aja langsung, screenshot aja magazine-nya, habis itu langsung masukin ke absen PJJ-nya. Oke, ini sudah bikin absen PJJ di UKBM 3, silakan semuanya masuk di situ. Kenapa nih?
1 news aja kan ya, Miss?
3.
Oh, 3, oke.
Tetap nulis topik nggak tapi?
Iya, tetap tulis topic of the text ya. Bisa di bawahnya nggak apa-apa. Title of the text-nya ya.
Miss, jadi dari 3 berita, terus ambil 3 caption juga.
Kan kamu bukan ambil 3 berita, Nak. Cari berita yang ada caption-nya.
Terus?
3 berita yang ada caption-nya, kamu screenshot caption sama chart-nya atau any pictures given yang ada caption-nya, terus kamu tulis judul beritanya di sampingnya. Kalau nggak ada judul, kalau misalnya judul beritanya nggak bisa di screenshot, jangan semua beritanya ya kamu mau screenshot ya, hanya bagian graphs atau pictures atau lainnya. Contohnya nih, Miss contohin ya. Ya udah 12:10 aja, cepet banget. Belum apa-apa. Wait bentar. Nih, misalnya nih, ini Miss screenshot ya. Screenshot kalau misalnya pakai Mac, kamu bisa pakai Command Shift 4. Nih, ini Miss ambil nih. Nah, terus habis itu Miss upload di absen PJJ, semuanya buka absen PJJ. Nih, absen PJJ, Nak, September 2nd. Semuanya kelihatan ya? Semuanya ketinggalan nggak? Kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan.
Oke. Ini Miss upload di sini. Hanya gambarnya saja. Sorry. Terus title beritanya apa? You and non-you. Oh, and then the page juga ya, Nak. Biar Miss bisa ngecek. Page-nya, page 21, sama, oh ya kan ada 2 ya. Sama ini additional material yang pertama atau yang kedua. Kalau material 1 yang Juli, ini yang material 2 adalah yang 29 of August ya, edition-nya. Nggak usah additional material deh, langsung tanggal itunya aja, tanggal edition-nya. Bukan 29 ya, 28 ya. Oh, 22nd, sorry. Ini Miss sahabatnya dari 22nd. Kalau kamu cari aja, kamu lihat tanggalnya ya, Nak. Yang di Miss 22nd ini kayaknya nggak Miss share deh. Oke, save ya. Paham sampai sini?
Nope, Miss, I have a question.
Yeah, what is that? What is the question?
So, by caption, you mean we should screen cap the sources?
Screen cap ya, langsung aja, langsung di screenshot di itunya, di majalahnya.
Wait, so is it the sources atau gambarnya Miss yang di screenshot? Atau dua-duanya?
Gambar dan captionnya, ini gambarnya, ini captionnya.
Oh, cool, I see, thank you.
Oke, good. Bisa gambar, bisa graphs, bisa chart ya.
I wanna ask.
Yeah, what is that?
So in total kita screenshot 3 pictures, apa 3 pictures from each magazines?
No, 3 pictures from both magazines. You can choose.
Oke. Thank you, Miss.
Boleh dicampur juga. Oke, yang penting kamu tulis title dan asalnya ya. Oke, guys, clear? Oke, before that we move on first. Kita move on dulu.
Miss, bentar Miss mau nanya.
Apa tuh?
Kalau dalam satu berita itu ada 2 captionnya, boleh nggak?
Boleh dong.
Jadi judulnya kayak sama gitu, nggak apa-apa kan?
Oke, it's okay, girl.
Oke, sip. Thank you.
Guys, before that, gak usah dikerjain sekarang dulu because I need you guys to move on for the next one is let's check Instagram ya. Kita lihat sekarang caption yang digunakan di Instagram. Nah, semuanya tahu caption Instagram apa? What is it? Who can help me to, might be one of you guys do not have an Instagram, but I'm not sure. You might have. All of you guys have Instagram, right? Sudah semuanya, sudah ini ya? Sudah nge-follow ya? Sudah follow Instagramnya Miss, sehingga Miss bisa cek nanti untuk tugasmu. Oke, kita lihat ya. Untuk activity 2-nya, reading-nya, sekarang semuanya silahkan lihat itu ada link-nya. Pilih one of them, boleh berapa juga. Tapi yang kamu paling suka, silahkan pilih salah satu. Sekarang buka Instagram account-nya ya. Kita lihat how it's going to be used, how the caption is going to be used on the online social media platform such as Instagram. Okay, is that a clear instruction to you guys? Ya, silakan pilih salah satu, Nak. Miss buka dulu dari pertama ya, Bloomberg Business. Siapa yang udah follow ini? Ada yang pernah follow ini dan pernah tahu? This is really good news, you guys, Bloomberg Business. Ini most likely for accountant, for anything related to economy, they're going to have that. Ya, nih mereka they're going to feature nih. I don't know this news. Ini kayak lebih independent. Dia more likely lebih ke stories of the social people. Bagaimana people, terutama kayak, okay, well, I feel sorry for this Chadwick Boseman. How many of you guys who like him? Clap your hands and feel sad about this, right? Too soon, you know. Okay, the next one is 1843 Meg. This is going to be also like a social story. Oh, Aurelia, you feel sad? Yeah, I wish that you have a good day today. And also Fox.com. This is a really good news, guys. I love Naomi Osaka. If you watch Wimbledon or like if you watch any American related to tennis cup, she's really good. Like American Japanese tennis player. Okay, Jakarta Post. This is going to be a bit Indonesian, but they covering it in English. Okay, next. Jakarta Globe also. This is for Indonesian news portal news, but it's also like they're covering it in English. Good news, Jakarta Globe. Next, E-News. So for those people who like to have gossips and gossiping around, you know. This is like one of the latest one is about how Ellen DeGeneres has failed as a show directors. I'm not sure, like, yeah, they try to, I don't know. My God, she's been I thought like she's been very good and everything, right? But yeah, it's her problem. Okay, next, Fashion Week. So for those who likes to have fashion, you may choose fashions, or the boys, if you like to have, you know, a review of games or any entertainment stuff, you can check here, like, you know, Resident Evil Village coming to Tokyo Game Show. Okay, if you want to check this, please check this. And also the architecture and designs. I love architecture and I love Zaha Hadid. If you're familiar with that name, you may find it here. Okay. So let's check on how they use the captions. See, right? Caption as a feature on Instagram. Lihat, biasanya most likely digunakan untuk apa? Who can help me to understand what is the functions and how the society see a caption? Okay, siapa yang bisa jawab? Helga? What do you think, Helga? How most likely people use caption in Instagram? What is it? Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, basically depends on the account juga. Many accounts use it for yang pasti to describe the picture first, and then many people also use captions to help to promote what are their intentions for their post, and it shows I don't know, the activities that they want to do to the society, so people actually could I don't know. Ya basically gitu sih, Miss.
Okay. Do you? If I can sum up, do you mean like the people who post on Instagram, they try to persuade what people?
Yeah.
See about that? Okay, good.
Informative and also persuasive.
Persuasive. Cool. Yeah. Nice, Helga. Thank you for the explanations. How about Faiz, Zaka? Hi, Faiz. What do you think? If you see, do you like to play game, Faiz?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think this is for? The captions in GameSpot. What do you think is it for? The captions? What is the function of that?
I don't really know.
Okay, but can you see like the way like they put it, the captions? We'll finally be getting new details for, can you read it for me, please? For everyone?
Yang mana?
We'll finally be getting and stuff.
We'll finally be getting new details for Capcom's Resident Evil Village later this month. What news are you hoping to hear about Resident Evil Village? Link in bio for full story.
Okay, what do you think it's about? How do you read that? What do you feel?
Curious.
Curious? Okay, so is it persuasive enough for you for like anything, you want to know about Resident Evil Village?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Do you know that this game is, you need to subscribe and pay for that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Good. Yeah. So you see, guys, so if you see like the way they put the captions, for example, like in GameSpot account, so you need to know like the social functions and also it's based on the context itself. Jadi itu bisa beda-beda ya functionnya digunakan oleh si pembuat account-nya. Kalau untuk GameSpot, you see mereka ini sebenarnya adalah releasing news kan? Is this something new, Faiz? Fahrial Hisham? Halo? Fahrial Hisham?
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think? Is this something new?
Yes.
Ya, nah kamu lihat ya kalau misalnya dia bisa jadi sifatnya kalau memperkenalkan sesuatu yang baru biasanya buat apa? What for?
Promotion, Miss.
Iya, true. Promoting something, ya. So GameSpot as the this account is using the caption to promote the new Resident Evil, and also they're trying to persuade any gamers like to know what is inside the Resident Evil Village. Might be about how the graphic design works, on how the settings, on how like any features related to the games. So they try to sell to you, right? Do you feel as a consumers you feel attracted to it, Fahrial Hisham? Menurut kamu tertarik gak pas baca captionnya? Or
Yeah, Miss.
yeah. Or
I think it looks good.
Do you play games a lot?
Yes, sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. Okay. How about Maimade Ariandra?
Yes, Miss?
Yeah. Do you feel attracted of this?
Yeah, I feel kind of excited because they're going to have an explanation from Capcom about the Resident Evil 8.
Oh, nice. Good. So this is going to be held by Tokyo Game Show in September 26 until 27, guys. So yeah, please, through Capcom's Twitch channel. Subscribe to, what is it? Kalian yang teman-teman anak games pasti udah tahu ya. Okay, now the girls, siapa yang suka buka e-news? Oh my gosh, see, right? Wake me up. Okay, let's check berita terbaru ya. Siapa yang ada yang suka baca e-news mungkin? Halo? Siapapun itu, Amanda Listu. Have you ever been here, Amanda Listu?
No, I don't.
No? Okay. Siapa yang nggak ada yang tertarik ya sama newsnya Hollywood gitu? Oke. Contohnya ini ya. Kayak Lady Gaga, right? Has gotta live her truth. Has gotta live her truth, but also keep it bottled in. Nah, lihat ya. Kalau di sini kira-kira functionnya apa? Ada yang Maira Raya, what do you think, Maira Raya? What is it for? Like the caption?
Yeah, it's just commenting on her outfit, I guess.
Yeah, true. But the way like they put it, is they mention it? Are they mentioning the outfit, the word outfit here? No, right? No, right? Hello?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So you see, like the way they put the words and the way they curate the words, the way they put the words inside the caption is very, very entertaining. Kamu lihat ya, in news ini kan berita apa kira-kira yang kamu bisa sense? Kira-kira kamu bisa menebak in news ini seperti apa, Hanun? Untuk apa biasanya platform berita macam apa in news?
Yang buat Hollywood gitu, Miss.
Ya, berita-berita ini ya, berita-berita seru-seruan ya.
Iya.
Ya, nah jadi kalau biasanya nih orang-orang yang copywriternya yang bikin captionnya nih, ini semua pinter-pinter banget caranya. Lady Gaga has gotta live her truth, but also keep it bottled in. I was wearing fast shoes before it was a thing, gitu loh. Nah, ini tuh kalimat-kalimat yang kira-kira merujuk-merujuk, tapi sebenarnya not mentioning anything related to her outfit, gitu. Tapi mereka tuh bisa gitu, dapat gregetnya. Gitu. Nah, ini belajarnya di mana? Nah, this is the way how the business works, how the industry works, and how, kalau kamu lihat yang perempuan ya, kalau if you guys read Vogue, lihat ya, banyak banget berita-berita di Vogue itu yang sebenarnya nggak penting gitu ya, tapi jadi kelihatan penting karena Vogue itu adalah Bible untuk everyone who loves fashion ya. Jadi, perlu tahu gimana how they work on it, and how it's going to sell a lot of things in the world. Oke. Sampai sini, do you have questions, guys? Do you have questions? Okay, we move on to the next activity. Lihat ya, sekalian ini ngerjainnya di absen PJJ. Kamu sambilan ngerjainnya. Sorry. Sekarang kembali lagi ke KBM-nya, nak. Lihat yang activity 2. Activity 2-nya adalah sama ya. Kamu cari dari 10, pilih saja dari 10 ini. Cari gambar 3 captions. Dan juga di screen cap ya, di screen cap gambar dan captionnya masukin di reply absen PJJ, kemudian topic of the text-nya karena ini beritanya mungkin nggak ada judulnya, kalau di Bloomberg ada judulnya, tapi most likely mungkin ada yang nggak berjudul, jadi you determine what is the topic of the text, what is the topic of the captions, or what is the topic of the news itself. Kamu cari di Instagram ya, kamu screen capture, kamu screenshot, gambar dan captionnya harus kelihatan semuanya ya, gambar dan captionnya. Kemudian you determine the topic of the text, oke? Paham? Miss contohkan ya. Misalnya Miss mau pakai Bloomberg aja deh, yang udah ada ininya, ada ya semuanya lihat di absen PJJ. Ya, I got 4 minutes left, you guys. Oke, gimana ya? Nih ya, untuk yang ini kan printed magazine, buat judulnya di atas printed magazine. Yang bawah online web. Instagram post. Masukin ya gambarnya ya. Oke.
Miss, masing-masing 3 kan ya?
You mana? Oke. Miss mau sekarang kalian dalam waktu 3 menit setidaknya selesai 1 ya. Untuk yang printed dan 1 lagi untuk yang online. Sambil untuk nge-mark whether you are here or not ya. This is for marking your attendance.
Miss, yang printed 1 doang kan, Miss?
Printed 3 nak, tapi ini Miss tunggu draft dulu aja hari ini. Kamu sama kan Miss waktu Miss terbatas nih, 1 aja dulu. Nanti kamu edit lagi. Minggu depan semuanya sudah 3 ya. Minggu depan Miss akan feedback. We're going to have feedback and discussion session ya. Ini topic of the text-nya adalah Gak boleh sama deh kalimatnya. Kalau gitu tinggal enak dong ya pakai Bloomberg. Udah ketahuan judulnya. Kamu ganti judulnya ya. Okay. Okay, is this clear guys for you? Holding out hope, nice. Ooh, good job. Oh my God, I love the way you guys did this. Good. Let's check how many of you guys who have posted something. I'm waiting until 12:30. Setelahnya habis itu ada session Kultum ya. Okay, let's check how many of you guys who have done this.
Miss, ini tuh di screenshot page-nya atau di screenshot table yang ada caption-nya aja?
Kalau yang di magazines yang ada yang table-nya aja, yang ada caption-nya. Kalau yang di itu di Instagram, make sure kayak gambarnya masuk sama semua ininya, caption-nya.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, guys, let's check how many of you guys. Oh, still a little bit. Helga Sharon baru IPS 1 yang baru selesai. Masukin. Ayo yang lain mana? Ayo, mana lagi? Okay, is this okay? Are you guys clear about what will you do? Please show me, like, clap your hands if you understand what you need to do right now. Paham ya? Okay, if you have any troubles, let me know very, very soon, okay? Title-nya bagaimana, Miss Aida Alanis? Title-nya untuk yang news, yang printed magazine, yang di ekonomis, kamu ngikut aja dari printed magazine-nya. Tapi kalau yang di caption yang kamu ambil dari Instagram, itu harus kamu yang bikin judulnya sendiri, ya. You made that. You determine what is the topic of the text, okay? Okay. Well. I think that's all for today, guys. And please, Miss Rena Hanung adalah orang yang terakhir untuk IPS 2 yang mau melakukan tugas ini. Jadi semuanya, if you want to be counted your attendance, please make sure that you put the draft right now. I'm still waiting until after Kultum ya. 10 menit setelah Kultum juga masih Miss tunggu. Kamu untuk drafting yang satu aja dulu, satu printed, satu yang online. So I'm going to consider you attending this class, okay? But next week we're going to meet again, and you need to be able to provide 3 for printed magazines and 3 for the online Instagram caption. On the absent page, just edit that, just edit your post, and we're going to discuss about it, and I'm going to have feedback section, okay? So do you have any questions left, guys? For me? No? Ada pertanyaan kira-kira?
Miss, kalau draftnya baru yang paper magazine tapi udah 3, nggak apa-apa nggak?
Nggak apa-apa, good. Tapi Instagram online-nya harus ada 1 ya?
Ya.
Okay, I think that's all guys for today. Thank you for joining me. And by the way, let's move on to Kultum session. Selamat datang.